Top 5 crypto to buy in October. In crypto markets, October is sometimes referred to as Uptober, and for good reason. Last October, for example, was a particularly good month that saw popular cryptos approach their all-time highs and the overall crypto market reach a $3 trillion market capitalization. So what can we expect this year? The top 5 cryptocurrencies to watch in October include Bitcoin BTC minus 0.13%, Solana's all minus 1.07%, and XRP minus 1.54%. The performance of each of these is key to understanding the current condition of the crypto market. If all 3 cryptos boast solid gains in October, then we could be headed for a very exciting 2023. 5. Bitcoin. Bitcoin, of course, is the market linchpin, while some altcoins are starting to separate from Bitcoin in terms of performance. It's almost inconceivable that we will see a major bull market rally without the participation of Bitcoin. For the past 5 months, Bitcoin has been locked into a relatively narrow trading range of $18,000 to $25,000. Bitcoin is currently testing the $20,000 support level, and what happens in October will be critical. For Solana, last month, crypto investors focused on Ethereum, which pulled off one of the most eagerly anticipated technological feats in crypto history. The merge, unfortunately, this was a classic case of buy the rumor, sell the news. Over the past 30 days, the price of Ethereum has dropped about 16%, but the one crypto that has held up surprisingly well is Solana, which is widely regarded to be the top layer 1 blockchain behind Ethereum. Solana is up about 5% over the past 30 days, suggesting that investors may be looking for another crypto to take over from Ethereum to lead the market higher. 3. XRP. Finally, we have XRP, which was actually one of the top crypto performers of September, thanks largely to positive news about its pending litigation with the Securities and Exchange Commission. The market currently thinks that XRP will get positive news surrounding a possible settlement with the SEC by the end of the year, and that has led to XRP skyrocketing in value. Over the past 30 days, XRP payments and remittance system are up a staggering 45% to about 48 cents. Is XRP overbought as a result of all the speculative froth surrounding the legal news? We'll find out in October. 2. Theta Network, Theta. Price, $1.10. Market capitalization, $1.09 billion. Theta is a blockchain-powered network that is built for video streaming. It was launched in 2019. Its native token is Theta, which is mainly used for governance. The utility token is Theta Fuel TFUEL, which is used to provide rewards to streamers. The main goal of Theta Network is to decentralize video streaming, making it more efficient and cost-effective for both content creators and consumers alike. Theta has been trading just above the $1.10 horizontal support area since May. While it seemingly broke down on Sept. 20, it has reclaimed the area since. 1 LRND. Price, $48.75. Market capitalization, $1.14 billion. LRND is a blockchain protocol that distinguishes itself by its use of the sharding mechanism, which in turn grants extremely fast transaction speeds. Its platform for executing smart contracts is capable of 15,000 per second at a cost of only 1 cent. The native token for the platform is EGLD, which is used for staking, paying network fees, and rewarding validators. There are many exchanges you can use to buy cryptocurrencies, but some are better than others. If you're familiar with crypto, chances are you've already heard of Coinbase. The exchange is one of the largest and most well-known in the US. Coinbase also features a comprehensive and accessible variety of learning materials. Users are encouraged to use these resources through the Coinbase Earn program, which teaches how to trade specific cryptocurrencies and rewards users with free crypto. Second, we choose Binance US as the best crypto exchange for low fees because it features one of the most generous fee structures across all the trading platforms we considered. Binance US offers many of the former's advantages. One of its greatest assets is a competitive maker-taker fee structure that tops out at 0.1%. This fee starts low and keeps getting lower as your trading volume increases. The exchange features more than 120 cryptocurrencies, all of which are purchasable in USD. CoinMotion is another fast and reliable crypto exchange platform for buying and selling Bitcoin. Although not as huge as the Kraken crypto exchange, It equally features an intuitive design that makes it easy to use, even for those who are new to cryptos. It also supports various payment methods such as bank transfers, credit cards, SOFORD banking, and other instant payment methods such as S-Pankki, an instant online payment method available in Finland. Thanks for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, hit the like and subscribe button for more informative videos.